All right, today I am going to show you how to make a paper airplane. So first you're going to start off with a plain piece of paper. It can be a piece of notebook paper or it can be a piece of computer paper like I have right here. All right, so first you're going to take the paper, make sure it's flat. You're going to take one side, fold it in triangle shapes right here to make sure that they're even. Just line them up against each other to make sure they're even like that. Once you find that equal space, you're going to take that, hold your finger there, and press both sides like this right there. So now you have a triangle shape at the top, right here, right? And then it's like flat right there. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take one side and fold that in half like this, so it's right down the middle. Line it up with the crease, and once you got that, take one finger like that or two fingers like that, and then slide it to make a crease right there on the edge. Okay, we're halfway done. All right, then you're gonna do the same thing through the other side. Fold it like this. Make sure to even, not quite even, but it's okay, it'll still work. Okay, and then do the exact same thing by folding it like that, and we're getting close to being done. So you have half of the plane done right here. Okay, it's going to be a jet. All right, and then you're going to take it, and then you are going to actually fold it one more time. No, actually, that's super fast. So once you have that, take the plane, fold it in half, like that, and then crease it. All right, gonna lay it down flat, and then take the jet wing and go like this, fold it down like that, and then we're gonna do the other side, just like that. And that's how you make an airplane, right? It's like a jet, right? You see that? And that's how you make a paper airplane. Let me know if you have any questions.